KNIME Geospatial Analytics. Reading spatial data. In KNIME Explorer, right-click on a folder and choose to create a new project. Go to Node Repository, Community Nodes, choose Geospatial Analytics, and then Spatial I/O, drag GeoFileReader to the editor. Go to KNIME Explorer, right-click on the target shapefile, choose Copy Location, then the local path, and paste it to the File Path box of GeoFileReader. Execute the node. The result table contains all attribute and geometry information of the data. The second way is to read data as a flow variable. First of all, use a local file browser to locate the file and link it to GeoFileReader. Right-click GeoFileReader, choose to configure flow variables and set the data URL as the default variable file input. You can also read the zipped shapefile, which contains its associate files as well. Go to System Explorer, right-click the data, copy path, and paste it in the file reader. Please do remember to delete the quotation marks before running the node. Local zip geodatabase file or geopack file, which might contain multiple layers, should be imported by another node, GeoPackage Same as GeoFileReader, paste the file path of the target GDB or GeoPackage file and input the layer information. If you are uncertain, no problem, just leave it empty. It will read the first layer and export the layer information as well. After the execution, right-click on the node and choose the geodata layer to check the layers. We can copy the name and reopen the GeoPackage reader, input the layer name, and execute the node again. Then we can get the data with the proper layer name by the first output port. We can also use the GeoPackage reader node read the local GDB file directly in the same way as zipped GDB files. The layer information accepts integers as layer order and layer name. If the input layer name is not in the layer name list, it will read the first layer. The GeoFileReader can be used to access shapefile, GeoJSON, or single-layer GeoPackage file both locally and online. For example, we can read the data shared in GitHub. Go to the website, copy the data link, and paste it in the input box of GeoFileReader. Please do remember to revise the file path for the raw data in GitHub. In our next version, we will add online data reading support to GeoPackage Reader as well. Now we go to Spatial Visualization and Geospatial View to explore the data. Link the GeoFileReader node or GeoPackage node to the Geospatial View node, set Population 2020 as the marker color column, and keep other default settings. We can zoom in and out to investigate the data dynamically or add variables to the marker tooltip column to visualize them as well. Click OK to close that. We can check the map by right-clicking the node and choosing the interactive view to see the map again.